just cleaning off a razor and four-wheeler. That's about it for this video. Hope you enjoy. Brother. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. I don't think you can. But you should be able to see right through the radiator. These little lines right here. That's how you know she clean now. Just the inside of this hoover. I think that concludes the razor wash for today. That shit is smoking. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but something else. Basically, I'm gonna put some pond in here. So I'm gonna dry that out so it don't freeze and whatnot. Fucking shoes are dirty. So I can't hop in here yet. Let me start this with hand on the brake.
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
Water definitely froze her up a little bit. This thing's shooting back up. But they're all cleaned up now. From the last two videos, they were dirty, pretty dirty.